The baking is something that is very easy for you to start online because we all have a kitchen at home and we all have an oven, and we can definitely buy a hand mixer and a few tools of decoration. So why don't you start it online, because most people these days don't really have big bakeries or industries or factories, and they still make a killing amount of money while they're at home. Wewe unaweza ukawa mmojawapo, na katika series hii nitakuonyesha jinsi gani ambavyo unaweza kuanza your online baking business from scratch. We will define number one, your niche. Niche manake ni nini? Sawa, ni jinsi gani ambavyo unaweza ukatafuta niche yako ili upate audience ambao wanataka kile kitu na uweze kutengeneza pesa. First of all, you need to choose your niche. What's a niche? You're thinking, what is niche? I've heard this before. Before you start your online baking, you need to find your niche. Are you good with cupcakes? Are you good with wedding cakes? So when you find your niche, all you have to do is work on it. That's the only thing you need to do. And when you find your niche, okay, finding your niche will help you make it on your online business because you are actually good at that. And it's also something that you've seen you can do. Most popular people in your area or in your industry do not do. So it's like you found it. You're the only one. So let's say, for example, I found my niche. The niche that I actually found is teaching people how to bake, because in my area or in my country, most people don't do that. I started giving tips online on how to bake, on how to start a business, on how to cost, and now I have people coming to me asking advice, wanting me to coach them, and that is actually my niche. So let's say you found your niche as a custom cake maker. Custom cake maker are those cakes that we bake on parties, on get-togethers, on birthdays, on baby showers. Those are custom cakes. You're making a Harry Potter cake or a car cake. Those are custom cakes. So let's say in your area, nobody else knows how to make a custom cake except you. So now you take that as a niche and then you proceed. Someone is thinking about a car cake, they know who to go, they know who to talk to, they know who to find. So they'll definitely come to you because you're good at that. Tell me in the comments below, how do you know that you found your niche? And if you don't have a niche, how are you planning to find out your niche? I'm going to give you a small tip on how to actually find your niche. Bake cupcakes, bake breads, bake customer cake, and then from there now you're going to see which one is picking, which one are you really good at, which one are you getting more feedbacks from. So let's say wewe unajua kupika sana keki za birthday na utatengeneza pia na cupcakes, utatengeneza pia na mikate, and then from there utaona ni zipi ambazo zinatoka sana and who likes what. And from there, when you're done doing it, you'll see actually, okay, so people like this one. I think this is my niche. I'm actually good at this, then I'm going to go with that. And then from there, you're good to go. I believe now you've found your niche. And then in the next video, we're going to talk about planning your business model.